Hey everyone, welcome back to Thousand Islands Toyota, located at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. I'm Rachel, and today I'm going to be showing you the 2021 Toyota 4Runner Trail. This is the cement exterior color. It's got a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine, puts out 270 horsepower and 278 pound-feet of torque. It's got an 87-liter tank and delivers fuel economy ratings of 14.8 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 12.5 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway. This equates to 19 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. Alright, let's check out the interior. Okay, here we are looking into the driver's side. Driver's side door panel, we have our power locks and windows on the top of the panel here, right at the window. Chrome door handle, door pocket, black fabric seats with tan stitching, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar control, and 4-way manual adjustments for the passenger seat. Up in here, leather wrapped steering wheel with our Bluetooth and audio controls. Up top we've got the 4.2-inch full color multi-information display here in the gauge cluster. Let's see here. Some of our settings. Over here we've got our automatic high beams and our interior power controls. Moving over to our 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility and a 3-month all-access trial for Sirius XM satellite radio. This is also where our backup camera is displayed. Knobs, silver knobs, large knobs for the climate control. Moving down, we have a small cubby here, USB, audio input, and power accessory outlet. Another cubby under here. Small cup holder, 4x4 control, your shifted chrome, your Nero cubby here with cup holder, and your rear window control. Sorry, I'm a little shaky. I'm holding with my left hand. And then we've got our leather armrest opening up to a nice deep well with another power outlet here and some storage cubbies here. Passenger side door panel with the chrome door handle and power locks and windows. And up top here we have our drive modes, traction control, interior lighting, and overhead sunglass compartment. Okay, let's pop back outside and take a look at the exterior. So the 2021 Toyota 4Runner Trail has got LED headlamps and the LED fog lamps with the black sill, black Toyota badging, 17-inch dark gray TRD off-road wheels, heated exterior mirrors, running boards, roof rails with the basket style roof rack, which is by, you can see that, Yakima. LED tail lamps with the black surround, stage 4 towing hitch, and underneath is your spare tire. The 4Runner can tow up to 5,000 pounds. I believe you've got tow hitch there as well. Black badging. Opening up to the large cargo area. Our second row 60-40 split seating is folded up. here, this is your sliding cargo tray. Look, quite a bit. In the boxes here we've got the tonneau cover, and this is the Toyota 4Runner cooler, color matched to the vehicle. So this one is also cement. There it is. It's quite large and perfect for this cargo truck. You just pull it right out. Seasonal floor mats. Click this back. And over here, we've got your power outlets. We've got 120 volts, a 400 watt, and then the 12 volt here. So, some cubbies for sides. And your tire repair kit, or wheel lock kit, sorry. Alright, so back here, the black fabric seats with the tan stitching continue onto the 60-40 split foldable rear seats with the pull down center armrests with cup holders. Netted back seat pockets on both seats. Rear ventilation, 2 USB charging ports, tons of legroom. Lots of headroom. On our door panels, we've got the power windows up top, the silver door handle, or grab handle, and the chrome door handle, and door pockets. Adjustable headrest, which allows us to pull up and then pull this down for more cargo space. Cooler makes an appearance again. There we go. Alright folks, that was the 2021 Toyota 4Runner Trail model. This is the cement exterior color. So give us a call at 613-342-9111, and one of our product advisors would be happy to get you set up an appointment so you can check this one out for yourself. Don't forget, hit like and subscribe, and we'll keep these videos coming.